Alright, what's up guys? This is Reese, Dammit Studios. I'm too lazy to do the Fleece voice. And I'm sick of being called Snuggles, so here we are. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Rhodes, that's what I called it, but like a Rhodes piano. Download in the description. Sort of electric sort of sound. So this is what it sounds like. That's what we're going to be making. Alright, so here's how you're going to do it. You're going to pick your wavetable. Wavetable is going to be Herbie. Then you're going to go over to your wavetable position. You're going to put it right over here in this little area. Bottom of the W, just somewhere in that little spot. Okay. Next, we're going to be heading over to envelope 1. And we're going to be messing with a couple of things. So, first thing, bring the attack up just ever so slightly. We're going to bring the decay down just a hair. Bring our level up, but not all the way up. Bring your release right around there. Perfect. And that should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. Also, almost forgot, bring up the velocity ever so slightly. This is what's going to give you an organic sound, and that's going to be up for preference. So throw this on your wavetable position, and you're going to be just kicking this sumbitch down. And even now, that's pretty close. Add a little bit of vibrato to it. But it still sounds a little. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading over to our envelope 3. And on envelope 3, we're going to be bringing down the attack, up the velocity again just a little bit. Well, that's good. Bring our level up. Kind of the same thing we did. We're going to want to select linear. Going to bring our decay down just a little bit more. Okay, and then our release we're going to bring up to R. Just right on the edge of it. And I'd say that looks pretty good. Maybe bring up that level a little bit. Then you're going to be going over here to filter 2, shut off filter 1. Just, I like to use low pass 4, just either low pass. It's really up to you. We're going to bring that cutoff down and take our envelope 3 and just up that. Sounds pretty clean. Sounds pretty clean. You're going to want to bring your resonance down a little bit just so you can get that nice little punchy end of that sound. Make sure that you have this in the center on your oscillator 1. Totally forgot to mention that because we're going to be messing with the mix. On the mix, we're going to take this envelope 3 that we made and we're going to just bring it ever so slightly. Just a couple of lines. Nothing too crazy. We want a nice clean sound to it. Over here in your voicing, you're going to want to make sure that you're on polyphon and always. And probably keep unisono down to 1. You can mess around with pitch cutoffs, but I wouldn't take it too far. Maybe it's like 24. It's up to you. In pan position, it's not gonna do much, so that's up to preference. Okay, so next we're gonna be hopping over here in the FX area. I'm gonna use FX2, and I'm gonna throw in small reverb. We don't want it to sound too big. We just wanna puff it up. Puff it up like a nice little cloud. You know what I'm saying? Nice little puffiness. Let's see. That sounds pretty nice. I like that. Okay. Next on our EQ, we're gonna be turning down our low shelf. We don't need much of that. We just want that like punchy mid and high, and not even much high. It's just a lot of mid. The reverb only really added the highs. So that should be about it, honestly. I mean, you can try to mess with the high shelf. I don't really like to. I feel like that gives a pretty nice all-around sound. I mean, if you're really feeling frisky, you can always hop over here to your inserts and throw a sine shaper in here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, kind of give it a little dirtier sound. And there you go. That's how you make a Rhodes. That's how you makes a Rhodes piano, guys. That's how it's done. That's how you English. I'll also leave a download in the description. Okay, so after showing you guys that preset, I kind of messed around, made a nice little track. So I figured I'd show it to you guys. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Special thanks to the Harkness, most recent subscriber. Thank you. Appreciate you. More stuff on the way. Make sure to subscribe or hit the bell button. If not, it's cool. I totally get it. I'm lame. On behalf of Dammit Studios, this is Rhodes, and yeah.